Simple and easy mushroom snack with crispy outlayer and soft mushrooms. Tasty snack to enjoy an evening movie. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special crispy mushrooms. First we'll start with cleaning the mushrooms. Here I'm using 500 grams of fresh button mushrooms. After cleaning the mushrooms, drain the water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and rest it for 1 hour. Salt helps to release water from the mushrooms. After 1 hour, take out the mushrooms into another bowl. Look how much water was released from the mushrooms. Now add to the mushrooms 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and keep it aside. Now in another bowl, take 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 50 grams of corn flour and give it a mix. Now drop the mushrooms in the flour and coat well. When flour is coated evenly, take out the mushrooms and rest it for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drop the mushrooms once again in the flour and coat for second time. This double coating will make thick crispy out layer for the mushrooms. Now take enough oil in frying pan. When oil heats up, drop the mushrooms and fry in medium flame till mushrooms get golden brown color. Stir occasionally to avoid over frying on one side. When mushrooms get golden brown color, take out from the oil. That's it. Our delicious crispy mushrooms are ready. Serve them hot with tomato ketchup. Look at the texture, how crispy is our mushroom out layer. If you feel out layer is harder, you can decrease the corn flour quantity when you are making next time.